Hey there! In the next few minutes, you'll learn what is B2B integration, why B2B integrations are needed for IT service providers, how to overcome common B2B integration challenges, the new way of doing B2B integration. What is B2B integration? B2B integration is the business process automation, connection, and communication between organizations. It helps parties work and collaborate more effectively with their partners, suppliers, and customers, regardless of the tools and applications each party is using. The problem? Most B2B companies are using dozens or even hundreds of apps. Application integration fixes this problem inside one company. B2B integration extends it across companies, ensuring updates happen everywhere, automatically, reliably, and in sync. But here's the catch. Inside your own organization, you can choose the tools and define the processes. With external parties, you don't have that control. Your customers, suppliers, or partners all run their own tools and their own workflows. That means B2B integration has to bridge differences in technology. Every party uses different systems, APIs, and data formats. Processes. Each company runs its own workflows, rules, and approvals. Responsibilities. Ownership, priorities, and expectations vary across organizations. Without proper B2B integration, these differences don't just slow things down. They create misaligned data between companies, leading to errors and rework. Broken processes where updates never reach the other party in time. Frustrated customers who experience delays, inconsistencies, and finger-pointing. How does B2B integration work? Now, you might think APIs are the key to B2B integration, and yes, they're important. But here's the truth. APIs are not the whole solution. APIs let systems talk to each other, but they don't manage how, when, or why data flows. They don't translate field names. They don't trigger actions. They don't monitor what went wrong. They're just a standard interface, and every app implements them differently. That's why you need more than APIs. You need iPaaS, or an integration platform, to handle the actual work. Orchestrating when B2B integrations run, usually via events or schedules. Mapping and transforming data between different structures. Handling errors, retries, and security. Logging everything for observability and compliance. And of course, there's event-driven logic, so updates happen when a ticket is updated, an order is placed, or a record is created. Without this platform layer, B2B integrations are fragile, error-prone, and expensive to maintain. What are some common B2B integration challenges? Let's face the truth, simply having an API falls short when it comes to B2B integration. You still need to understand the data structure, develop the event workflows, transform and map data payloads, manage retry mechanisms, error handling, and security protocols, continuously monitor for operational issues. None of these things are included ready to use with APIs. Even when using iPaaS platforms, you'll continue to need understanding of each party's processes, specialized technical expertise, B2B integration industry standards knowledge. Once live, continuous maintenance support. Additionally, skilled B2B integration specialists are scarce in the market. Conventional integration solutions demand six-figure annual investments. Implementation timelines span weeks to months and frequently fail when modifications occur. The new way to solve the B2B integration challenges: integration ops as a service.
This is where integration ops as a service comes in. Instead of building and maintaining integrations yourself, OneIO delivers them as a fully managed service, complete with lifecycle management and ownership. Expert-level integration specialist at your service. Robust iPaaS with observability, scalability, and security built in. No scripts, no maintenance, no guesswork.
With OneIO managed integration, you get ready-made templates and mappings, expert-managed onboarding, automated incident handling, 80% faster deployment, 50% plus cost savings, 90% less integration workload for your IT team. That means integrations go live in days, not quarters. Most teams ask, does the app have an API? But smart teams ask, how will we use that API at scale, securely, without burning out our team? That's where integration ops wins. OneIO turns integration into a repeatable capability, not a one-off headache. Faster onboarding, less manual work, total visibility, technology that scales with your business. Download our free and detailed guide about integration ops to start managing the lifecycle of B2B integrations efficiently and at scale. You can find the link in the description. Did you like this video? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more tech strategy content.